Well, he's Mexican. I'm Chinese. I am Bruce Lee. He is Tito Montana. He is Tito.
Okay, hold on.
You.
Can you two get out and go get ready so we can leave already?
Where are you going? Are you gonna go with your mom?
No, I'm going to play volleyball.
You need to go give me the phone to your mom.
Today.
Give me to your mom. You have come to my school and trashed my school, and now my school is messed up. Now I have to go there and clean the shit up.
Who is this?
It is Mr. Hong. How many times do I must say?
Hey,
Mr. Hong.
hey, Chico. My son is Peter.
My son is named Bibi.
Bibi Mo.
If you hang up on me, I go suspend you for a week or 2 months. Bitch.